Powerful mini desktop machines for profitable home business in 2026. What if I told you that a computer the size of a paperback book is already making people thousands of dollars a month from their kitchen table? The mini PC market just crossed $26.68 billion in 2026, and over 50% of US small businesses are already home-based. The ones winning aren't using towers. They're using silent, compact machines that cost less than your phone and outwork most laptops. Here are 32 of them. Ranked, priced, matched to real income. Let's get into the machines. Budget to beast mode. The Budget Kings. Machines 1 to 10. These entry-point machines are perfect for freelancing, virtual assistants, social media management, or dropshipping. Businesses Shopify says can earn $1,000 to $2,000 per month, working just 10 to 15 hours a week. Number 1. GMK Tech Nussbox G3 Pro, Intel Core i3-1110U, 8GB RAM, 256GB SSD, dual 4K output. Around $159. Perfect for Etsy stores and email management. Number 2. Beelink EQ13, Intel M305, 16GB RAM, 500GB SSD. Around $189. Handles multiple tabs and light bookkeeping beautifully. Number 3. GMK Tech Nuckbox G10, AMD Ryzen 5 3500U. Tech Radar's best on a budget. Perfect for freelance writing or virtual assistant work. Number 4. Tricky G5 Pro, Ryzen 5 5560U, 16GB DDR4, 500GB NVMe. Under $250. Handles Canva, Zoom, and spreadsheets without breaking a sweat. Number 5. Ace Magic AM08 Pro, Intel Core i7-8750H, 16GB RAM, 512GB SSD, around $269. Great for online tutoring or social media management. Number 6. Minisforum UM780 XTX, AMD Ryzen 7 8745H, 32GB DDR5, triple 4K display support, under $349, built for affiliate marketing dashboards and content scheduling. Number 7. Beelink Sur 5 Pro, Ryzen 7 5825U, 8-core, 16-thread boosting to 4.5 GH, under $299. Run your dropshipping store, manage suppliers, and handle customer service, all at once. Number 8. GMK Tech Nuckbox M6 Ultra. Tech Radar's best value after testing 100+ mini PC systems. Easier to upgrade than even the Mac Mini. Ideal for freelancers scaling storage over time. Number 9. Beelink Sur 5 Max. AMD Ryzen 7 5800H at $379. Beelink and Minisforum are Amazon's go-to brands for reliable budget mini PCs. Perfect for print-on-demand businesses. Number 10. Asus NUC12 Pro. Intel Core i5 1240p, Thunderbolt 4, Wi-Fi 6E, triple display output. Enterprise-grade reliability at a budget price. Built for freelance developers and web designers. The mid-range monsters, machines 11 to 22. The U.S. Small Business Administration confirms over 50% of U.S. small businesses are home-based, and the ones scaling up use machines like these. Digital products, content creation, and consulting can earn $300 to $5,000 per month. Your PC is your business partner. Don't cheap out. Number 11. Geekom Mini Air 12. Intel N97 12th Gen. 16GB RAM, 512GB NVMe. Dual 4K. Under $229. Clean, quiet, fast. Number 12. Geekom A6. 32GB DDR5, 1TB PCI Gen 4 SSD. 2. 5G Ethernet, Wi-Fi 6E, 3-year warranty. Around $500. The Mac Mini with identical specs costs $1,199. You save $700 on day one. Number 13. Geekom IT13. Intel Core i9-13900H, 32GB DDR4, 2TB SSD, triple 4K. Handles video editing, podcast production, and client presentations like a beast. Number 14. Lenovo ThinkCentre M75Q Tiny Gen 5, the only mid-range machine here with a standard 3-year on-site warranty. Price $400 to $600. Used by law firms, accountants, and HR teams worldwide. Number 15. HP EliteDesk 800 G9 Mini, Intel Core i5-12500T, vPro support, 3-year warranty option. Under $599. The professional's choice for bookkeeping and financial consulting. Number 16. Dell Optiplex Micro. One of the most trusted names in small business computing. Silent. Business grade. Perfect for remote admin, legal document processing, or virtual call centers. Number 17. Beelink Sur 8. AMD Ryzen 7 8745H. DDR5 RAM. PCI 4.0 SSD. Mid-range price, flagship performance. Ideal for Shopify management and multi-tool workflows. Number 18. Intel NUC 14 Pro, $450 to $700, dual 4K, Wi-Fi 6E, Thunderbolt 4, up to 64 GB RAM. Vision Computers calls it one of the best business mini PCs of 2026. 1 liter, mounts behind your monitor. Zero desk clutter. Number 19. Asus NUC 14 Pro Plus, $500 to $800, Thunderbolt 4 Wi-Fi 6E, 64 GB RAM capacity. PC Build Advisor rates Geekom and Asus NUC the most reliable brands for enterprise use in 2026. Number 20. Asus ROG NUC, Tech Radar's best for gaming in 2026. But game development, 3D rendering, and YouTube gaming content are real income streams right now. Don't sleep on it. Number 21. Minisforum UM880 Plus, AMD Ryzen 9 8945HS at 70W TDP, double what standard mini PCs allow, around $735, delivering desktop-level multi-core performance in the palm of your hand. Number 22. Geekom GT15 Max, Intel Core Ultra 9 285 each, 16 physical cores. The same flagship chip in premium workstations. For software developers, data analysts, or anyone running virtual machines at home, this is a game changer. The premium powerhouses, machines 23 to 30. The mini PC market has seen a 39% increase in multi-display setups and a 28% rise in AI-integrated systems in 2026 alone. These machines are leading that charge. Number 23. Minisforum AI X1 Pro 370, AMD Ryzen AI 9 HX370. Built for on-device AI computing. Run AI-powered tools locally without paying cloud fees every month. Number 24. Geekom A9 Max, Tech Radar's best overall mini PC of 2026 after testing 100+ machines. All-metal design, superb thermals. YouTube channel, marketing agency, software dev side business, this machine doesn't flinch. Number 25. Minisforum M1 Pro, Intel Core Ultra 9 285H, tile-based compute architecture. 6 performance cores, 8 efficient cores, 2 low-power cores. For AI consulting or remote DevOps, this is your weapon. Number 26. Minisforum UM890 Pro, the only mini PC here with an Oculink port for an external GPU. Active DDR5 and SSD cooling keeps memory temps 60% lower than standard. Oculink changes everything for 4K video editors and 3D modelers. Number 27. Asus NUC 14 Pro Plus, 64 GB RAM, Thunderbolt 4, Wi-Fi 6E, Windows 11 Pro. Runs multiple virtual machines and handles clients across 3 time zones without a hiccup. Number 28. Lenovo ThinkCentre M90Q Gen 4, $650 to $900, low-profile GPU slot, 3-year warranty option. For home-based consultants, financial advisors, and HR professionals, Lenovo's corporate pedigree gives your clients confidence. Number 29. Intel NUC 14 Pro, Intel Core i7 12700 each, Thunderbolt 4, 3 displays, vPro Enterprise Management, 64 GB RAM. This is what IT professionals who work from home install, period. Number 30. Minisforum MSS1 Max, Tech Radar, calls it a real standout design specifically for AI developers who want to run large language models locally. Delivers up to 126 TOPS of AI compute, can run 128 billion parameter AI models right on your desk. If you're building AI tools and LM-powered products as a business, this is the machine your competitors don't know about yet. The Apple Power Pair, machines 31 and 32. Number 31. Apple Mac Mini M4, $599 for 16 GB unified memory, 256 GB SSD. The M4 chip delivers 120 GB memory bandwidth with CPU and GPU sharing memory directly on chip. Apps open instantly. Runs virtually silent under full load. Final Cut Pro editors, Logic Pro producers, Xcode developers, this machine is nearly perfect. But upgrading to 32 GB RAM and 512 GB storage brings the price to $1,199. Meanwhile, the Geekom A6 with 32 GB DDR5, 1 TB SSD, 2.5G Ethernet, Wi-Fi 6E, and a 3-year warranty runs about $500. You do the math. Number 32. Apple Mac Mini M4 Pro, and this is the one I told you about at the beginning. 12-core CPU with 8 performance cores at 4.5G each. 16-core GPU with hardware ray tracing. 273GB memory bandwidth, more than double the base model. Up to 64GB unified RAM and 8TB SSD. In a 5x5-inch box. For YouTube creators, freelance video editors, music producers, and developers billing $150 an hour, this machine justifies every single dollar. Whether you're freelancing on Upwork, running a Shopify dropshipping store with 20 to 50% margins, building a content channel, selling digital products, or training AI models in your spare room, one of these 32 machines is your next business partner. Drop in the comments, which machine are you starting with? And if you want a full deep dive on any of these, smash that like button so the algorithm knows you're serious. I'll see you in the next one.